Hi, I'm Jesus with GREE, and I'm here to help you through your E6 error code. E6 means that there's a communication error between the indoor and the outdoor unit. If it shows up right at startup, the issue is likely in the indoor unit. If it takes a while, say 3 to 4 minutes after the system has been powered on, it is likely at the outdoor unit. Let's walk through the troubleshooting steps. First, check the wiring. Make sure the 1, 2, 3, and ground connections match indoors as well as outdoors. Confirm the cable is 14-4 600 volt stranded copper, properly grounded and with good crimp connections. Ensure there are no breaks or splices. Next, if a condensate pump, float switch, or disconnect is installed, verify they are wired correctly. Aftermarket accessories can interrupt communication if miswired. As a reminder, GREE branded mini splits use terminal 2 for communications and 1 and 3 for voltage supply. Then, with everything still connected, measure and record voltages. You should see proper AC power on terminals 1 and 3 and fluctuating DC voltage between N1 and 2. Reference the chart included in the service manual for the exact values based on the 115 or 230 volt models. At the outdoor board, remove wire number 2. Check for 54 to 56 volts DC from N1 to 2 and from 2 to ground. Repeat the same test at the indoor board. If voltage isn't stable in this range, a board, fuse, or component may be faulty. If you haven't identified the issue with the previous steps, it's time to power off and ohm out the communication wire. There should be no resistance between wires and near zero resistance when tied together. If in doubt, run a temporary cable to see if the error clears. If voltage is still unstable, a grounded or shorted component may be dragging down the communication bus. Disconnect components one at a time to isolate the fault. Finally, verify the indoor fan operates in fan mode. If it doesn't, unplug it from the board. And if the E6 changes to a fan error, the motor is likely the issue. If everything else checks out, the indoor main board may need replacement. Always run the appropriate test to confirm a component is defective before replacing it. To recap, confirm the wiring, check accessories, verify voltages, test the communication wire, and rule out all other components. And keep in mind, the E6 will not reset until the problem is resolved, so work step by step to find the cause. Thanks for watching, and remember, at GREE, we're by your side.